Welcome to my tutorial on stair-step walls. It's a new wall technique which I think can lead to some really beautiful designs, and it's become something of a mission of mine to try and encourage people to use it. So let's get started. First thing to know is that it is really easy. It only requires 3 dominoes, and so you place 1 domino vertically and 2 dominoes horizontally, and that's it. It's amazingly simple, so crazy simple. And then all you do is repeat that pattern over and over, and that is the stair-step wall. So color is everything, of course, and we're going to create it with this gradation of blues, which I think should look really beautiful. Okay, so that's the first layer, and as you can see, it's the exact same 3 domino pattern, just repeated over and over. And we're going with this color range: light blue, middle blue, dark blue, red. Light blue, middle blue, dark blue, red. Light blue, middle blue. And then we're going to make all the verticals white to sort of set them off as sort of the background. And again, as I mentioned, this is the exact same pattern for every layer. What we do is we just offset it by 1. And so we see here, we're just going to take this same pattern and offset it by 1. For the ends, we'll just put in an extra vertical domino just to cap things off. And so now we can start to see where the stair step comes in, and we see we have 2 dominoes here, and we see they're sort of stair stepping each other. And so now we're just going to continue that pattern. Again, the exact same pattern as before, 3 dominoes, but every layer is going to be offset by 1. This is looking really good. We have 9 layers. We have these gorgeous diagonal stripes in all the different colors. And you can see how the stair-step wall with the stair steps are making these diagonal stripes that go up in this direction. But that's not all we can do, right? What happens if we reverse the direction and decide to go the other way? Well, we can absolutely do that. And now we can start making other shapes. So let's try that. There you go. Now we're up to 15 layers, and you can see how clearly we get these chevron shapes. And all we had to do was decide to change direction, and then magically we're getting these interesting shapes in our wall. One of the great things about the stair-step wall is that the pattern of the colors and the pattern of the dominoes are the same. And so you have the dominoes going in this shape and the colors going in this shape as well. So it's not just like it's a color that's been essentially printed onto a static wall. The structure and the pattern are in harmony. And that's what I really love about it, which I think makes it a more beautiful design than sort of traditional walls. But what else can we do? Well, maybe we can do some sort of diamond shape. So let's try that. Well, here we went up by stair step, and then up by stair step, and now we can go up by stair step like this. So let's try the diamond shape and see how that works. And so we'll do that, right, by starting to take this pattern in 2 directions at once. Diamond patterns. And so it's just so great. And so hopefully what I've been trying to show is how we can use this stair step technique for these variety of different patterns. And of course you can make them up, and you can make up any that you'd like, and I can't wait to see what you do. Cheers. Bravo.